Hey guys, I was going through some more knives, and I come up on some the Wade Helms collection. So I got a drawer here. I got some knives I've got off Wade over the past year or so, and figured I'd show you some of the old Wade Helms knives. You may have seen some of them before, you may not. So let's get into it. One thing that all these knives have in common, every single one of them, it don't get no better than this. Because Wade said so. So, the first one I traded. This one is a case back pocket. And I forget what that is. It's carbon fiber and G10 maybe. I don't know all that new stuff. But that's a cool knife. But yeah. The old Wade, he was doing some trading on Knife Doctor's video with this one time, and I don't know how it come about, but I ended up with it. So there's that one. But what Wade and I really like are the old stuff. Oh, let's see here. This here, you gotta be careful when you open this stuff, because old Wade, he likes to sharpen his knives and keeps them sharp. This is an old humpback whittler. And this one, you can see there, Cattaragus cutlery, Little Valley, New York. That's a cool old knife. Yeah, Wade, he likes to do a lot of trading with those Benchmades and ZTs and stuff like that. And I like that kind of stuff too, but I'll tell you what, this right here, this kind of stuff I like to get my hands on and try not to let it go anywhere. This right here, I don't care about that much. That right there, that's special. This one here, here's another one I got off of them. This one is that's another old Cattaragus. Yeah, I love them old Cattaragus knives. Yep, I get those and just stick them back. I don't like to get rid of them, that's for sure. Save the best, in my opinion, for last. This one here, Old Valley Forge Cutlery Company, Newark, New Jersey. Valley Forge. Yeah, that's a cool knife. It's got a punch. Oh, got this other blade here. There we go. But man, blades are full in that. Bone, good shape. Got those fluted bolsters. Wade, it don't get no better than that. Love it. But here's the one that old rascal had that I just Man, I seen this. I had to have it. This one is an old Shapleigh. Shapleigh Hardware. That right there, that's a pretty knife right there. And I've got Benchmades up here, and did you hear that? I'll tell you what, that ain't Wade Snap either. That's Snap Snap. But I've got Benchmades and Spydercos and everything else that I've got off of him. But yeah, this stuff right here. This right here is kind of stuff I like. That's kind of stuff it's hard to find. So thanks, Wade. All the trading we've done. I'm sure we'll do some more. All right, guys. Have a good one.